Yes, YouTube. Welcome back again. Everything is working again. The thing is, especially also in this market, when it becomes scary, you need to get excited, right? So guys, I want to give you a quick update on BTC because I see something coming in as usually. The thing is, we retraced the 618 on the 8-hour time frame. So you can expect something here, right? We're creating a shark fin on the 1-hour time frame, and this shark fin is actually a bullish divergence on the RSI. So guys, quick update. Let's go to the chart. So as you guys can see now, we're watching at BTC to USDT again, and what you can see here literally on the 8-hour is that we're retracing the 618, right? If you pull a fib on this swing low to the top of the wick, you can see that we're retracing the 618 double actually. So that's a double confirmation of a strong support level. If you go to the 1-hour, you can see that we're creating a shark fin. After a shark fin, you can expect a liquidity sweep. Most liquidity is laying around 114k, so we can expect a liquidity sweep maybe to 112k to see a giant wick, create a reversal, retrace the 786, actually like this, right? So we need to come for sell side liquidity, dip into it, bounce up, retrace the 786 and see upside. That's actually what I'm expecting now for BTC. We don't have any Fed events today, so we have an empty calendar. So it's pure price action, and that's what we want actually. The thing is, yesterday the market opens, the S&P 500 opens with a low volume, in an average, you can expect an average volume of somewhere around 76 million during the market open, but we opened yesterday with only 5 million, so it was not a lot actually, and I checked it during New York session, and there wasn't coming any volume at all during this session. So it's Tuesday, it's the 3rd week of the month, so we can expect something. The thing is now, if you go to Ethereum, for example, you can see Ethereum retraced the 618. Also, same situation actually playing out here. On Ethereum, it's actually the this swing low. Or not, it's not fitting perfectly. Let's go to the 1-hour. The 1-hour, you can see this one here. This sneaky swing low here. This fits nicely on this support level here also, right? There's some sell side liquidity here, or buy side liquidity. We need to grab to see a reversal, right? If you go to the S&P 500, we didn't do anything. Low volume day actually on a Monday. I don't know really what's happening. Maybe there's a sort of waiting period before Friday, because Friday is a very important day, as we all know, right? Jerome Powell will speak, and the thing is, are we gonna cut rates or not, right? It doesn't mean that if we cut rates that it will be bullish for the markets, because if you check the S&P, everything looks very bearish at the moment, right? The thing is, if they cut rates, it's more easy to borrow and put it in ETFs and things like that. But the thing is, just be patient. Expect the unexpected, and check it on a daily basis. The technicals say that we can expect upside from here on. The thing is, if we lose this 618 here, then we go more down. You can see how nicely the 786 is respected, so you can expect something here in case of bullishness, right? You need to retrace this 618 or the 786 to remain bullish actually. So that's a little bit it. I don't want to dive in too much on altcoins now. We need to see a reversal coming on BTC, eventually on Ethereum, and then we dive in more on altcoins, right? Because I don't want you guys to lose money. For now it's just wait. Patience is the key, and stay updated. Subscribe to my channel, like this video if you like this video. If you want to level up your trading, go to the link in description. Crypto gainers, Join the premium by signing up to Blowfin or BingX with my link, and send a screenshot and you get premium access to the group, right? So guys, quick update on BTC. You know, I don't have so much to say. It's just wait. We have to see some volume coming in now today. The technical says that we can expect a reversal here, liquidity sweep, retracement 786 to see more upside. So guys, with that said, you know, quick update. I thank you all for watching. Stay safe, make profits, and God bless you all. See you in my next video.